Taping up Mickey with a moccasin here today. So first of all, we're going to do our anchors. So just on the medial and lateral of the foot. Okay, making sure you're not going too high. And then we're going to have your distal anchor down around the TPs. Okay, and then your proximal anchor down around the calcaneum. Okay. So from there, then we're going to apply some longitudinal strips. So starting up around the base of the calcaneum, down around to the heads, metatarsals. Okay, so that's number one, and you can vary your tension there. Okay. Second one down the middle, and the third one just lateral. Okay, and then we're going to lock them off at either end. So locking off there. There. Okay. And then we're going to apply our transverse strips. So we're going to go from proximal to distal, aiming for around about 50% overlap for each strip. So for the rear foot, going from lateral to medial, and getting nice crossover, and as you get more distal down the foot, go from medial to lateral, so you get that nice crisscross pattern underneath as well. Okay, so that's the essence of the moccasin. You can just lock that off, strip around the side and a strip or two over the top. Okay, but we're also going to add in what we call a bit of a navicular sling to help supination. So for that, we're going to go on the medial border of the foot, just distal to the first TMT. Okay, come around the calcaneum. Okay, and then we're going to look to come up around, so coming up the base of the talocnavicular joint and the navicular, and then looping over, and then we're going to apply 2 or 3 of them depending on exactly what you want to achieve. So the next one will come more directly over the navicular, and then the third one will be more towards the first TMT. Okay, there you go. So navicular slings or 6s. Okay, and then we're going to look to lock that off, and we can lock it off with one layer around here. Okay, and then a couple of layers placed very gently on top, so without any tension on these, over like so, or if the athlete prefers, you can just use a little bit of EAB or hand tearable EAB. Always try to finish the tape on top in a non-irritable position. Just lock it off like so. there just to help hold things nice and neatly in place.